Sex positions for vaginal orgasm. Before we start with the best sex positions for vaginal orgasm, you need to know that as important as the sex positions itself are the fact that you need to have the right equipment. Me and my team tested a lot of stuff when it comes to penis enlargement. What should I say? We and a lot of my subscribers only can say that one thing. Look at my complete review in the description. 6. The Stone Ascension. Start fit as a fiddle development where you are on your back and he's his ally. Press pelvic floor muscles multiple times at raising powers. Make light crushes at that point. Continue the move. As an update, pressing the pelvic floor comprises of doing likewise you do when you quit peeing midstream. This one is somewhat muddled on the grounds that it requires a particular arrangement of crushes, little press, greater crush, greatest press, at that point level with 3 throbbing presses. Do this process again. 7. The Corkscrew. Set down on your side with him bowing before you. Spot your leg onto his shoulder or hip. Move your whole chest area and hips forward and back. Note: setting the leg on his shoulder is all the more outwardly engaging, yet putting it on the hip makes things more tightly, so the decision is up to you dependent on your needs. The hip movement here is somewhat of a test. However, any individual who has done sideboards will be acquainted with turning your body while laying on your elbow. 8. The Render. Lie on your stomach with him straddling you. Move one hip up then down. Move the other hip up then down. With this one, it utilizes a support so your hips are noticeable all around to get the arrangement right. And you need to move your hips side to side just as doing a military creep. The decent thing about this position is that it invigorates both the G-spot and the K-spot, which is situated between the cervix and the butt. 9. Gradual. Start in cowgirl position. Delicately stretch the skin on his crotch with your hands. Drop down on the top third of penis. At that point ascend back up to the top. Note: you would prefer not to go right down, yet you would like to go right back up to the tip. Since it's cowgirl, ensure you move gradually,